let's do a trade breakdown. Before that, if you guys don't have the Falcon contents like the Falcon mechanics, 4-hour reward, FT, the past webinars, and the latest one, which is the hybrid trading, if you guys don't have those things, if you guys need it, all you have to do is message me here on Telegram, like Manoj Falcon, right? Let's get back to the video. As we can see, I think I already explained this trade in the last video, and the trade that I'm in right now is it's more lower risk one, that of the last one. Well, last one was also good, but this one is better one, right? So as we can see, we broke below this point right there, and the next target point is right there, right? So as we broke that point, I was looking for an insurance entry right beneath that point. Here we got it in the 15-minute time frame. As we can see here, we got it right there. And also the good part about it is that it is perfect, like here on the 50% note. Lovely trade. I'm right now at break even, so this might go to the downside for around like 8%. And the next trade is on Germany 40. I think I missed this trade, so I was looking for short from there, right? But price fails to move to the downside and move to the upside right there. So my bias has sense to buys, right? And then after that we got this trade 1, 2, 3 touch, and then we got the perfect rejection candle right there, right there. Shit. Must put the long one. I missed this one, but let's suppose if I took this trade, I think I will be at around like break even, right? This one is also a lovely one, so yeah, lovely. That's it.